You will not believe this, y'all. You're gonna have to see it to believe it. This is Winter Storm Cora that is now getting to the Virginia Beach area where I live. And I know you all up north are probably going to be laughing at us right now, which you have every right to be, because this is very rare for this part of Virginia Beach. We normally see just very cool temperatures, but rarely any snow. Right now, it is sleeting, as you all can tell, and I will be doing another video when I wake up this afternoon to see how well the snow is able to accumulate. And as you all can tell, it is sticking to my car as well. It's definitely going to be a big mess by morning, I can tell you that. And as you all can tell, if you look in my front yard, it's starting to accumulate, and it's even starting to accumulate on the roads as well, because it is pretty cold for it to stick. So with all this sleet that's falling down, there's a possibility that we may see an ice storm that could cause some issues with travel, as you all most likely know about from up north. I'm not going to make this video too long because I'm absolutely freezing right now. And the snow is already starting to accumulate on the roofs of the houses here. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed that. I'm going to head back inside and get warm.